Goyard. Hello. Goyard and Hermès double feature. Crossover episode. Crossover! Hey guys! I'm really excited, you guys. Oopsie. Double unboxing. Well, triple unboxing because there's 3 bags inside. There's literally nothing in life that makes me happier than buying things. I'm so excited, you guys. My shipments are here. Goyard, Hermès, Goyard, Hermès, Goyard, Hermès, Goyard, Hermès, Goyard, Hermès, Goyard, Hermès. Triple unboxing, triple unboxing, triple unboxing. I can't hold these for that much longer. I need to work out. Anyway. You're comfortable? Okay. 2 in here from Goyard. 1 from, obviously, Hermès. A triple unboxing from 2 different brands, Goyard, Hermès. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike, and I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shithead, shopping problem. I literally do have a shopping problem. The Goyard geek, an Hermès whore, Goyard geek, and Goyard Hermès, my 2 faves. 2 of my faves. And today we're doing a triple unboxing. Triple unboxing of bags. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, I gotta put these down, but I put these down. They're very, very heavy. My bags all just came in the mail. So I've ordered 2 bags from Goyard to supplement the bags that I already got in France because couldn't get enough there and actually hit my limit there, so that I wouldn't need to get more here for my sister's thing, gifts and everything like that. So I got 2 more bags that I couldn't get there and I needed to get, and then I got a bag from Hermès. The packages just got in, so we're gonna unbox them together, and I haven't opened them yet either, so this is exciting. We're gonna unbox them together and see what they got. So I got something from Hermès that I'm really, really excited about. I got it online through Hermes.com. There's a whole, I'm gonna do a whole other video on this, but there's a whole Hermes.com world of getting bags and like trying to get the bags. They post the bags every now and then, and you can try to like basically get really cool bag. Non-quotas, but like a lot of the things that they are impossible to get or hard to get or you wait list for or in the store, whatever. Anyway, so we're gonna talk about that whole process and unbox what I got, what I scored from Hermes.com. So we got double unboxing, what I scored from Hermès.com, more Goyard bags that just got delivered. All delivered, here are the boxes, and we'll go. I can't hold this forever, there's too much work. Sorry, texting with my sister. So, again, unboxing my score from Hermès.com plus 2 more Goyard bags and talking about all that. And talking about ordering Hermès.com and process and everything like that. Although I might do a separate total video on that, because I think like that's a whole other thing that we need to talk about. And that more people need to talk about. Although how many people should we want to talk about it? Because if we talk about it too much, then everybody's gonna know. And then everybody's gonna know it's gonna be really hard to get it back. Thoughts, food for thoughts. Okay. Anyway, okay, so if that's what you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching, okay? Okay. Alright, so obviously we're gonna do Goyard first, because I gotta make you wait. But wait till the end for the Hermès unboxing. I do want, if you guys don't skip ahead, I want you to comment and comment below what you think I got. Hermès.com, hard to get, not impossible to get, coveted from the Hermès.com drops that they've been having lately. More on that later, or we can talk about that in a whole separate video, which I might do, then I might not, because then everyone's gonna know. And now I don't want everyone to know. But I do want everyone to know. I want you guys to know. I'm just kidding. Do I want you to know? Just kidding. We're here to share. But if one of you all steal one of my bags that I want, we're gonna have some words. I'm so excited to open it. Okay, first we're gonna open the first one first. Which one do you guys want to open first? I assume we want to open the Hermès first, but we're gonna start with the Goyard. Because why not? You need my mo and pick one, and then we're gonna open that one. We're gonna start with the Goyard because Goyard's my baby, and Goyard's where I started my channel, and this is my Goyard. So I had to get. I'll talk later. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Do we need to unbox it on camera? No. First of all, it's wrapped with this tamper-evident tape. Love that. Huge box. I'm assuming they sent the bag and everything, the bags and everything with it, and the dust box, the packaging. I'm sure they packaged it real nice. So, should I talk about this while I unbox it? I don't know if I should talk. I'm gonna open it first, and then we can talk about it in a second. I don't want to cut my finger or the bag. More importantly, the bag. We'll cut my finger is fine. You can always grow a new finger, right? You guys, there's nothing like unboxing and opening. It's my favorite thing in the world. Ah! Okay. You'd think with all the stuff that I buy, I'd be better at this. But I mostly buy stuff from the store, actually, so... Okay. Should we open it together? Okay. We'll do that so you can't see that. Okay. What if you can see that? We're gonna have to move over a little bit. Okay. So this is the center. Try to see what's going on. Ah! I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay. So we got one little monkey, two little monkeys sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Yeah. Well, they're tied together. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's really sweet. They're tied together. Oh, and she taped them on the sides. I've never seen that before. Receipt. Oh my god, so expensive. Oh, they tax you on the shipping? That's annoying. So I got 2 more bags. My store didn't have them, so I had to call one of the other stores and get it from one of my other essays. That's why it was shipped. And I had to play US retail, which I'm like, why am I paying US retail anymore? Like, never again. Only problem is I can only get 4 bags a year at Goyard in France, and they're very strict about it. They're not gonna let me do that unless I get bags. So like gift bags like this, can't get. My bags for me, if I wanna get them monogrammed, I think that can work. So next time I go, I'm gonna just get bags that I want monogrammed for me. Although I don't love monogramming everything, but I guess you gotta do what you gotta do. Because it's just like a more cost and something like that, but it's still cheaper overall. Whatever, we'll figure that out later. So I had to pay US retail for these, which is like, but whatever, you do what you gotta do. This is gonna be a very long video because I keep talking about other things. But yeah, so I had to pay US retail for these. Look, they're tied together. Oh, how cute is that? Goyard. I'm having way too much fun with this. Clearly. Goyard. Okay, yeah, so I had to get 2 more because 1, they didn't have, and 2, I needed 1 more gift. We're gonna open these. So I didn't get anything that was like profound or new. These are all just like, they're basically just more of the same shit. So, let's just open them. Oh, tied together. Thank you. We put you down because you're too big. I will do you first because you're too small. So cute. What could it be? Oh, I wonder. So, as I've probably mentioned a million times, I am a big gift giver. I love giving gifts, and I love giving people designer bags or wallets, depending on the person and how close we are. But I like to stick to the basics and the classic neutrals that I know everyone will like for those kind of things. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so here he is. Here she is. Here he is. I mean, we already know what she is, right? Great. I know, I do the unboxing and then I get them. But it's content. So this is the PM Goyard PM in black with tan, the OG au naturel, comme belle. Pretty popular. Yeah, so they didn't have this actually in Paris, which was annoying. But I wouldn't have been able to get it anyway because I'm already a little Goyard out. So I was lucky to get this one because my home store didn't even have it. And it's like they usually always have this. But 9/2022, September 2022. Beauty, she's a beauty. She's beauty, she's queen, she's Miss United States, whatever. Let's do the other one. We're gonna do this one and then we're gonna go on Hermès. And I'm really excited for that. But yeah, so I got this. So I ordered it from my essay, I texted with her, got the order, and then I had to pay via, there's a form you fill out, and then blah, 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 and then credit card. And then they call and confirm it. And they shipped it, and I overnighted it, because I'm bougie, because I want things right away. So I got it right away. Yeah, this one too. This is cute, but like, it takes much space. Okay, I'm really excited about this, because, just wait, there's a little... Oh. I mean, you can already tell from the little handies, right? You got another size, boom, bitty, boom, boom, in black with brown. They're sisters. They're siblings. They're friends. They're friends. Mama, baby, and then daddy's the GM. Oh, actually, baby would be the PM or 12mm. I wish I was keeping these because then I could start a whole family, but I'm not. So, but look, I'll do a little comparison of these two because look at it, so different. Yet so the same. Anyway, wait, but I'm really excited about my essay gave me. So there's a dust bag for her, and there's a dust bag for her. But my essay gave me I asked for a few extra dust bags because I destroy my dust bags and make them really bad. Somehow I always get sand and inks on them. So she sent me extra dust bags, which was so nice because usually my store doesn't do that because apparently like it's 1 dust bag per bag and they like don't like giving out extra dust bags. But thank you. 1, 2. What a lovely lady. So those are those. That was great. Shall we switch to Hermès? Should we cut to the good part? Okay, break. Okay, now, On to the main event. The main event. Well, sort of. Did the Goyard. That was great. I already texted my auntie. It seems like I got the wrong size, so she wants the PM, so I might have to go to an exchange, or we'll see what happens with that. But probably do an unboxing of the PM, because why not? Because I love unboxing Goyard. But I also love unboxing Hermès. Especially such well-wrapped, beautiful Hermès. I love the box. Like last time I did the unboxing, they do like, it looks like an H here and an H here, right? Like, I mean, they just tape it really well, obviously. We don't need to talk about the tape, but like, it does look like an H and H. Okay, what do you guys think I got? I'm so nervous. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous excited. I'm knighted. I'm knighted. I'm knighted. I'm knighted? I would love, love, love to be a knight. Okay, there you go. I think there's nothing. There's literally nothing in life that makes me happier than things, than buying things. Say what you want, say what you will, but it makes me happy, and I'm gonna keep doing it because it makes me so happy. And then just staring at them and never using them. That's not true, I do use them sometimes. But I usually just stare at them. I talk to them. Hey girl, hey boy, hey boy, hey girl. I'm having some trouble because it's so well packaged. Ah! False alarm, I think. We'll see. Probably should have used a box cutter, but I couldn't find one. I'm too lazy and I'm too excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, you guys. My shipments are here. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. I also might have gone a little crazy with this bag. Future trip note. I might have. Well, I'll tell you later. Sorry, this is gonna take a minute. Talk amongst yourselves. Oh my god. These are cool. Hello. I don't know what I do with these, but they're fun. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it, but I'm gonna also film it on my other camera so that I can, you know, have the actual unboxing in frame for, you know, that content. Because you guys, we're making content here. I'm a content creator now. Content creator. Okay. Hey, just setting up the camera. Hey, can you see this? Oh, maybe I shouldn't do it like that. Here we go. Hello. Bye. The receipt. Okay. What do you guys think I got? It's a men's crossbody backpack, Hakado, the mini version. Kind of got the Kelly feel without actually being the Kelly. It keeps showing up on the website and I keep trying to get it, and I got it. Men's Hakado PM backpack in noir. Although it does kind of look like a little blue. It's so soft, you guys. Oh, and it's got a little backpack strap for that. Like a cute little bag, or you can wear it, I think you can wear it this way. I'd have to loosen it a little bit. Let's open her up. Okay, so this, I guess, so it locks like that, and then it's got a little lock thing. Oh, little singers. Single number 2. Okay. Hermès Paris made in France. Oh my god, it's so soft inside. So it's kind of just one big compartment inside with a flap in the back. Big flap pocket in the back. I assume this is the lock and key. See. Oh, yeah, it's a little one of those lock and key like that you, little lock and key that you attach on. So cute. I'm not gonna wear that. I don't like that. I'm never gonna use a lock. Why would I use a lock? I don't got anything valuable. The bag itself is the value. Although these are like not, I don't know if these are that coveted. I think they're like more, I mean, I've seen some guys with them and like closer. I don't know, would I wear it open? I think I would wear it open because it looks like, it feels like it's hard to open and close, right? I'll probably wear it like that and then just go like that. Right? Or would I close it? Close it, you gotta do that and that. It's a little tight to go in and out, but that's probably because it's brand new. Okay. Okay, so you can probably fit, you know, notebook, wallet, phone, keys, all your like daily essential like skin products if you need, hand creams, things like that. Probably a small notebook and like a little water bottle. It's very cute. Can you wear it like this? You probably wear it like this. I'll do ways to wear it. You guys, it's so small and so cute. I love you. I will name you Riley. I will name you Sandy. No, I will name you, I don't know yet. This is gonna look so cute. I can't wait to wear this around. This is gonna look so cute on you. This is gonna look so cute on me. Guys, Hermès craftsmanship above all else. I'm so excited. What do you guys think? So this is what I got. I got it on Hermès.com. Oh yeah, let me talk about it. So Hermès.com, like, I'll do a whole other video about this. Like, there's a whole world about it, basically of bags dropping at certain times on certain websites and people like following it and people paying for services and people paying to get notified, and people repaying and all these things that. But basically, recently, Hermès.com has been putting bags on the website. And so, like, you know, I happened to be checking and I saw this and I was like, oh my God. And I've tried a few times, actually. I've seen it a few times because I saw it, I clicked it, not available. Saw it, clicked it, not available. Like, it will still be there. It'll be on the website and then it'll disappear. Or you can click it, but then it'll say gone. You know, which happens with Hermès a lot. This time I clicked it. It was in my cart. I was like, it's in my car. So I clicked it and bought it. I was gonna ship it to the store, but then I wasn't sure if I want my essay to know because then it's like more leather on my account since I just got the Lindy and like I don't want to have so much leather that I'm not gonna be offered a bag. I'm also very confused as to why, like, the amount I've spent, why I'm not yet, I haven't gotten one yet. Like, I feel like it's been over a year now and I'm just wondering when I'm gonna get one. So I didn't want to do anything that's gonna affect my chances. I know it's crazy. Like, I should be able to just buy the bag, everyone the bag, whatever. We're not here to talk about the Hermès process and the issues with it or anything like that, or, you know, opinions on that. It is what it is. I'm okay with it. I just want my bag. So I didn't want, originally I was gonna like I was gonna tell my essay, well, originally I was gonna be like, I'm gonna bring it in to the store or have it pick up in the store and then return it and rebuy it with my essay so they get the credit. But I was gonna do that, but then from my understanding, from talking to people and understanding, it was best that I don't, because I don't wanna have too much leather, because I only have like leather so far this year, right? A couple shirts and leather. So I was advised against it, so I didn't bring it in and didn't give my essay the commission or anything like that. So I was gonna return it and bring it back, but I didn't do that. Instead, I just bought it online. So I didn't do it to ship in the store. I did it because I wasn't sure yet. So I just decided, I was like, I'm not gonna ship it to the store. I'll figure it out later. So I just shipped it to my house. So I bought it. It went through. It took, whatever, it like processed. I got the email saying, I got the confirmation. Then I got an email saying it's coming and shipped, tracking number, and then it was here. And I can't believe it's here. It's like my little baby. Hello, little baby. So it's Togo leather, PM size, like a woolly strap with a Togo thingy here. Yeah, I think obviously you can make it longer. Can I make it longer? I think that's making it shorter. Let's see how long we can go. So now, gross, buddy. I could just sit with it like this. So you can wear it like that. And obviously you could wear it the other way, right? That. And then like that. I think I would wear a crossbody. Would I wear a crossbody in the front? I don't know. I have time to play with it. Okay, that's it. Okay, I gotta go because I gotta go play with this. I can't talk about it anymore, guys. I gotta go play with it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you rub it? I mean, I feel like it's like a good dupe. Like, not a dupe like fake, but like a dupe, like a Hermès, like a Birkin Kelly dupe. Like, it looks like a Kelly, right? It looks enough like a Kelly or a Birkin. Actually, no, it looks more like a Birkin. It looks enough like a Birkin to be Birkin dupe, because it's a copy of the Hakados, so technically it is a Birkin. Technically this is a Birkin, you guys, because it's technically, Hakados is the original form of the Birkin. It's made it smaller, right? And the Hakados is considered a Birkin, and this is a backpack version, small backpack, longer version of the Hakados. If you did it like this, it would be a Birkin. Well, you need handles, but you get what I'm saying. I'm gonna call it Birkin. Your name will be Birkin. Your name will be Jane. Your name will be Burke. Burke! Hey, Burke. Anyway, okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. If you like it, please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me and Burke. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hello. 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 Hello.